Hello, my name is Benson Moya, and I'm excited to share my Webstack portfolio project. It's called Melbur Foods, and it is an e-commerce website for this company. Well, Melbur Foods is a division of Melbur Ventures, a registered business in the Republic of Kenya. The division deals with natural foods categorized into flour, powders and spices, dried fruits, nuts, and edible seeds. The project being undertaken was a landing site, almost similar to the existing division's website, which would mimic the e-commerce properties of the website. This project would therefore show the products, their variations and prices, and customers would then place an order, which would then be followed up with unfulfilled. And I took this project alone for the sole reason that this project was reflective of my company and will help drive it ahead. The architecture used, given that it's an e-commerce website, the main technologies used were HTML for structuring the web page, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity. I employed online resources to actualize all this and further collaborated with other people to make it all stand out. Well, the main highlight of the project, given that it's an e-commerce project, and that I run this business daily, I had an upper hand on what to do and almost all the material I would eventually use. I had some of the products, the images, their prices, the content to use in the website. All that I needed was just structure, style, and fill the project with data. The successful bit is that it all worked out well. In fact, I developed the whole project on my personal computer, and uploading it to GitHub and subsequently deploying it to Netlify only took a matter of seconds. The greatest challenge was wondering what to add to the site and what not to. Additionally, I did not want it to look like the existing website, so I had to style it differently. In time, the company may decide to use this to delete its existing website and use this new code because it's smoother and less bulky. The website lacks a database to store customer information or even sales information. It also lacks third-party integration, especially for payment services. These may be introduced in due time with additional information on products, their variation, prices, and other useful pages. One of the main areas of improvement is a platform known as Daraja. It's an API that enables developers to integrate your site with M-Pesa and create seamless payment solutions. M-Pesa is Kenya's largest mobile money transfer service, used for making payments, sending and withdrawing monies, as well as microfinancing services. Well, here are some of the next steps. The first is to add navigation pages and buttons because they do not exist. As such, if you were to click on the buttons therein, they would not open in a page. Here's what I mean. This is the site. All these links are not working. They're not working. Next, as previously mentioned, is the introduction of third-party services such as Daraja API for M-Pesa integration, as well as PayPal payment integration. This will help customers make payments easily and help the brand with its finances. Thus, it requires me to learn additional languages such as PHP and Django. Another important thing to do is to introduce a database for the data introduced by customers, including their orders, accounts page, and more. It will also help the company track orders and to whom they belong. In conclusion, the project was quite of a challenge, and it further advanced my coding skills. It was an extensive project, and it has helped open my eyes into what I already know and what I need to learn next. Each day in tech is a learning experience, and this project opened my eyes further. With this project done and dusted, for now, Melbur Foods can comfortably look forward to an upcoming website and therefore a rebranding, making things bigger and better. Well, this is the GitHub repository. With a CSS folder, an images folder, JavaScript folder, the README for the GitHub, and an index page, as well as a styles.css page. The final product is here. This is the landing page. Well, as already mentioned, all these links do not work for now. The products have been categorized as such, and you can view additional categories. These are 10 of the best selling products. Well, they were randomly chosen, but these are some of the 10 where a customer may choose to add more to cart. But unfortunately, at the moment, these links do not work. But you get the idea. They can also choose to view all. Well, I have linked this to the actual website, so I will not click it for now. But ideally, a customer would click view all and they would view all the products in stock. This is just a page where a customer may register to become a member and get discounts on their first order. This is a breakdown of the recent blogs or articles posted. Again, you can view all, but at the moment this button doesn't work. With time, a Melbur Foods app would be developed, but this is just to keep under a customer enticed that they can download an app and make their purchases on the go. These are some of the search terms, popular search terms that are being used by customers visiting this website. And this is the footer with links to the brand's social media pages. Well, that is a brief overview of the site as finalized. Thank you.